In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scrape a website using Fireecrawl web scraper on Relevance AI. We'll walk through setting up the Firecrawl tool inside a Relevance AI agent, configuring its instructions, and running it so you can start extracting website content in a structured, repeatable way. First, open Relevance AI in your browser and head to your workspace. From there, open the agent you want to equip for web scraping. Think of the agent as your automation hub. We're about to give it the Firecrawl capability so it knows how to fetch and parse web pages. Inside the agent editor, go to the Tools section. This is where all the agent's abilities live. Click the plus icon to add a new tool. You'll see a catalog of available integrations. Look for the Firecrawl web scraper. If there's a search bar, type Firecrawl to surface it quickly. It's normal for the catalog to take a moment to load, so keep scrolling or waiting briefly if you don't see it right away. Once Firecrawl appears, select it, then choose Add One Tool. That attaches Firecrawl to your agent. You should now see it listed among your tools, confirming the integration is ready to use. Next, open the prompt template. This is the instruction canvas that tells your agent exactly how to behave. Click into the main instruction area where it says to edit the text and describe how your agent should work. Here, write clear guidance, such as what site or pages to scrape, the depth you want, any specific sections to extract, and the format you'd like in the output. The more precise you are, the better your results. While you're editing, press the / key to mention tools directly in your instructions. Select Firecrawl from the suggestion list. Referencing the tool this way helps the agent understand when and how to call it during a run. You can also click on the note about adding comments that don't get sent to the agent. Use these comments to leave reminders for yourself or teammates without affecting the agent's actual instructions. With your tool added and your prompt set, it's time to run the tool. Trigger a run from the agent editor. Watch the run output to confirm Firecrawl is being called and that results are returning in the format you specified. If the output isn't quite right, refine the prompt template and run again. Small tweaks to the instructions often make a big difference, and that's it. You've added Firecrawl, configured your agent's instructions, and run a scrape inside Relevance AI. Happy building and responsible scraping.